If PC Home Insurance Norway pricing explained what you get for your money. If you own a home in Norway, you've probably heard of If PC, one of the biggest and most trusted insurance companies in Scandinavia. But how much does their home insurance actually cost? And what do you get for your money? Most people think home insurance is just for fires or theft, but If PC covers far more than that. On average, If PC home insurance in Norway costs between 50 and 10 Norwegian kroner per year depending on where you live, the age and value of your home, and what coverage level you choose. Homes in areas with higher flood or storm risks tend to cost more, but If PC offers flexibility so you only pay for what you need. Their standard policy covers damage from fire, water leaks, theft and extreme weather, which is especially important in Norway's unpredictable climate. You're also protected against damage from electrical faults, vandalism, and even sudden accidents like breaking a window or spilling paint on your floors. If you want more, the super coverage plan includes additional protection like accidental damage, expanded water coverage and legal liability, so if something happens on your property that affects others, you're covered financially. Another major perk, If PC includes temporary accommodation if your home becomes unlivable after an insured event, and they cover rebuilding costs with a full value guarantee, meaning you won't lose money if construction prices rise. You can also save by combining your home and car insurance with If, or by adding safety systems like alarms and sensors. So what do you actually get for your money? You get a reliable safety net backed by decades of experience, a simple online claim system, and Norwegian-speaking support when you need it most. Because with If PC, home insurance isn't just about repairing damage, it's about keeping your home, your comfort, and your peace of mind secure in every season.